In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add embedded content on Podia. We're going to walk through how to bring outside content, like a YouTube video or a Spotify playlist, right into your Podia course using the built-in embed lesson type. This is perfect when you want learners to watch or listen without leaving your course area. Start by heading to your Podia dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in so you land on the main dashboard page. From there, open the products section. This is where all of your courses and digital products live. Find the product you want to update and click the edit button on the far right. That takes you into the course editor. Inside the editor, look for the new lesson dropdown. Click it, then choose Add Embed. This creates a new lesson specifically designed to display content from other platforms directly within your course player. On the next page, fill out the lesson details. Give your lesson a clear name so students know what to expect, and add a description to provide context or instructions. In the link field, paste the direct URL of the content you want to embed. This is important. Use the regular shareable link from the platform, not an embeddable code or iframe snippet. For example, on YouTube, use a standard watch link. On Spotify, use the open.spotify.com link you'd normally share. Direct URLs allow Podia to automatically detect and display the content correctly. A couple of quick tips here. Make sure the content you're linking to is publicly accessible or at least available to anyone with the link. Otherwise, your students may see an error or a blank player. Also, some platforms limit embedding or require specific permissions, so if something doesn't appear, double check the platform's sharing settings. If you're choosing between multiple link formats, the simplest share link usually works best. Once everything looks good, hit save. After saving, use the View Lesson button to preview exactly how the content will appear to your customers. This is a great moment to test playback, confirm the title and description read well, and check the appearance on both desktop and mobile. If the embed doesn't load as expected, verify the URL, ensure it's not an embed code, and confirm the content is set to be viewable. That's it. You've added embedded content to your Podia product using an embed lesson, keeping learners engaged without sending them off platform.